Hi there, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about Amazon Live. So it turns out that Amazon Live is a thing now, and it allows both brands as well as influencers to go live right on their channel under amazon.com/live. Now think about it. If you're a brand, it doesn't matter what you sell, now you can go live with different people on your channel to introduce the product. And it doesn't even have to be a brand ambassador. Now, if you're like me, if you're a YouTuber, a content creator, a podcaster, hey, you're not alone. You don't need a product. You don't need to be actively selling on Amazon as a brand, because now Amazon allows you to apply to be an influencer for their live stream program. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by my favorite live streaming platform called Livestream. Now, Livestream allows you to simultaneously stream to all sorts of platforms, including but not limited to Facebook page, your profile, Facebook groups, as well as YouTube, Twitter/Periscope, and a bunch of channels to expose your content to a larger audience worldwide. So let's take a look. What is an influencer program? So to scroll down, first you need to download the app, but even before you get started, just by downloading doesn't guarantee that you're going to go live. I'll be sure to include these links in the description below. So it tells you a lot about the influencer program on Amazon Live. One thing that you have to do is that you do have to sign up. As you can see, in order to live stream on Amazon, influencers must be part of the Amazon influencer program. So just click on there and hit the get started button. So there's some FAQs and some additional information, and check it out. So let me tell you a bit about my experience, because I am active on YouTube, and I have, as I'm recording this, a little bit short of 8,000 subscribers, but I do have very steady views every single month at around 100 to 120,000 a month. So I don't know specifically how big of a follower, subscriber, or viewership, watch time you need to have on YouTube. So definitely the sign up process will tell you a lot more. So once you're done, simply click on download the Amazon Live Creator app. I believe it's available on both iOS and Android. That's what the video is about, but I don't want to neglect the fact that you can be a brand to also live stream on Amazon. And I think this part is possibly a little bit more straightforward. The requirements will obviously be a little bit different, because live stream on Amazon brings interactive live videos. When you go live as a brand, your stream is eligible to appear automatically on your brand's product details page. So here, if you're a brand, you already have a product page, but if you're not yet an Amazon live stream influencer, then there is no page to stream to, and therefore that's why you do need to apply for this program. So I hope that helps a bit. So right now, what should we do? Well, let's dive right into the app itself, and the next step requires that you be approved. So honestly, it's pretty straightforward. It took me about 3 to 5 minutes or so. It did ask for my channel, my YouTube channel, verified very quickly. It did not, require that I come back 24, 48 hours. I was able to see the approval right then and there. So best of luck. Once you get approved, here's part 2 of this video. Now, when you first get in here, obviously you got 0 followers, rising star. You can sign up to earn on-site commissions. So on-site associates is a different program than the regular Amazon affiliate program. So as you can see, I think they make it pretty clear. Welcome to on-site. We make shopping easier, and what content types qualify for this program? Any content that is tagged with specific product available for purchase on Amazon qualifies. So let's go ahead and just sign up. So here are some of the compensations we talked about earlier. What is your preferred ID? Let's see if Feisworld is available. Wow, you have successfully joined Amazon On-Site Associate Program. You may switch between your standard associate store ID and your on-site associate store ID. And this is a really, really barely existing screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot to reference on the screen for you guys later. And this is how you switch between the store. So let's hit continue. So minutes streamed last 30 days. 0 to 90 minutes. That's interesting. I wonder if 90 minutes is actually the upper limit. So analytics is here, product clicks, so everything is 0. And you have this get started guide. And once I click into rising star, you can see view benefits, and the next level up, which are locked, are insider, as well as A-list. So while we're here, let's take a look at rising star benefit. Amazon Live level up. So rising star. eligible to stream using Amazon Live Creator app, share links to your live streams for the Amazon Live Creator, earn commissions for qualifying purchases. Your live streams are eligible to automatically appear on the Amazon Live site in both relevant product categories, your influencer storefront. All right, now the next level up as insider includes benefits such as everything in the Rising Star benefits, as well as Rising Star level placement, product details page of the first 10 products featured in your live stream, and the Amazon Live site top of page placement. So there's a placement benefit. Now, the last category today is called the A-list. Everything from Rising Star and insider benefits, special access to Amazon Live events and opportunities, priority support for the Amazon Live Creator team, and your live streams are eligible to appear on all Rising Star and insider placement. With all that said, I'm going to click on this little in case it's unclear. So there's a little plus button in the middle, and to the right is the gear button. So let's take a look at the gear button real quick. Store channel ID, community policy, third-party licensing, sign out of Feisworld Media. So, okay, let's click on the plus sign. And first you can add a thumbnail image. You can start adding products. You must add at least one to live stream. So let's see, for each product I will add. How to add a product, you can click on the add button, the add text hyperlink, as well as add product. So let's go ahead and just search for something. Let's see, what do I like to use? So I like the Rode mic a lot. What happens if I search for it? Okay, so let's see. The Rode Video Micro Compact. So I do have that. So let's add to live stream. So just click on add, and let's see what happens if I click on the product. Nothing happens. So now I added that, and now the setting and the start time show a start time, video source, video camera, practice mode. Oh, that's interesting. So what is practice mode? Practice before you go live. See yourself on a private channel page using your practice mode. This link is unique per live stream. So let's turn that on. I'm going to say why I love Rode mic, why I love this Rode mic. Save. Start time. You can do a start time. You can say whether you show a start time or you can hide it. Tell customers when to watch. Your upcoming stream will be listed on amazon.com/live. But don't worry, your live stream won't start until you go live. All right. So let's see what else. Video source camera, engage with viewers, promo code, share a link to your live stream. That's it. So now practice mode is on, as you can see in the kind of pink reddish banner. You don't have to be super nervous about it, and you can change the product, all the setting. You must give Amazon Live Creator access to a live stream. This is required. Okay. Enable camera and microphone. Yes and yes. Now, this is still practice mode on, and tab products below to highlight. Do not direct away from Amazon. Do not direct away from Amazon.com. So you see, it took about 5 to 10 seconds to light up. So what I'm going to do is say practice now. Get ready to go live. All right. So I'm going to turn this camera around. As you can see, when I go live, first of all, I must say that it helps a lot to have a, like a selfie or a tripod or something, because if I'm holding my camera with my phone, unfortunately, I have only so much space and it can be a little bit awkward, right? And so that's one thing. So if I turn this camera around, say this is a ladder, obviously, this is a painting, but if I am focusing on a product, again, my leverage is somewhat limited, right? I can touch the product, I can move it around. But again, if this product is bigger, I will need to walk around it. But these are the things I'm noticing, but with my phone, you can still give some level of details, and it's quite authentic, I guess, to talk about a product this way. And let's see what happens to this flash. So if you're on your phone, again, the flashlight, I'm showing you what it looks like, but hey, it's not nothing, but it's not super duper bright, obviously. So you do want to make sure that your product is well lit. You have all that set up. Send a message to start the conversation right here. I can say, hi, sent, and I'm able to kind of have a conversation. But since nobody's really watching right now, I'm not really actively interacting with someone. And looks like there are emojis by simply tabbing the icon to the left of type a message, right? So let's see what else are there. It's kind of cool. And let's end the practice session. So practice live stream ended. Looks like I'm getting a video uploaded. Oh, I love this row mic practice. Metrics are not available for practice mode, obviously. Because the video itself, it's I guess a couple of minutes long. It's going to take a little bit, but let's take a look at the menu above it. So first to the left-hand side, you can cross and just get out. And then you have this share button. I can simply share a text message, send it to myself. And there's a download button, but it's not available yet. But there's also a copy live stream. So copy this live stream to reuse its product and other settings in a new stream. That's interesting. So I don't have to write this over and over again. I think this feature is especially helpful if you're going to have a series of the same products, such as, I want to have 5 different videos talking about Rode mics. And that's it. Let's go ahead and actually do a playback of this. All right. As you can see, it's a little awkward. So, I'm going to turn this camera around, as you can see. So I can somewhat fast forward to, and I'm able to, as you can see, it's a little bit shaky. Since nobody's really watching right now. The more you prepare for this, you can stabilize your camera, the better. So let's just get out. And I went live. So that was it. Now, coming back to the homepage, as you can see, you will see all the live streams, including the practice ones. And there's no analytics, as you guys probably figured out, because that was a practice run. And this video, right now, it has practice labeled, so you will not be confused as to what's going on. And yeah, so this is really fascinating. Sales data delayed up to 24 hours. So keep in mind, it's almost a little bit like YouTube, right? You're not going to start seeing all the data and the results right away, but it may accumulate, which means you might go live, you might sell 1 or 2 things, but later on, as this video remains as a live stream on Amazon, you might get more exposure, more sales, and this is where you get all the analytics. So overall, my take on this is it's really quite fascinating. I am very, very new to this, and I hope it has promising results. I think to a lot of content creators and influencers, this is a really straightforward way to start making money, to gain even more exposure, because as you guys know, Amazon just has a ton of products where you can market. In fact, if you are already marketing a series of products, doesn't mean that you can research to, kind of purchase and experiment with new ones. I think this is especially helpful is if you have a niche, if you are servicing a particular type of audience, then you can find a bunch of products surrounding that niche. So I hope you find this video helpful. Again, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. This video is sponsored by Livestream, a multi-streaming platform that I love using, and I've gone live pretty much every week with the guests I love. To learn more about our live events, simply go to feisworld.com/events, and I'll see you next time. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do, because I would love to see you again.